good area. Well, I guess maybe.
I want to see how close we can get to the pond.
Just want to go, yeah. I want to go like under to it.
I want to see the pond.
Yeah, me too.
What's going on?
I feel like the
Oh,
cruise
look at
control
that.
kind of failed.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Look ahead.
Oh, the chair?
That's a Northridge chair.
Oh, it is. I was thinking like where could it come from?
Oh, that's awesome. See, that's definitely an old Northridge chair. Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
I love that. What? See something?
No, I just look back every now and then. There's chair one.
Oh, yeah. I don't know why, there's always a big space between the last chair and
Yeah.
chair one. I don't know why.
I want to see if the palm is running. What if it's running and the trail is not closed?
Can we just go for it?
Yeah. Just go and check. Promise is not fixed grip, so like the operator has to set it. Like they don't want it.
If we tell them we're lift enthusiasts and we just want one ride on it, maybe.
Yeah. I don't know if the trail's closed.
Just make up.
My friend goes to like the Killington Mountain School.
Yeah.
He's not really my friend, but he's just a kid at school.
Yeah.
And like I asked him if he ever used that, he said no. He goes on outer limits. This is a nice area. Like, everybody like the snow conditions are much better than anywhere else.
I couldn't tell if there was a rope across it, but I couldn't see it. I didn't see a rope across it.
So you can check the Palma. I don't know.
It said it was empty.
It's nice that there's like no ice.
I don't know how long or when. Where's people coming from?
From Swirl?
What?
Is that Swirl?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe we're in for a treat.
Let's see what we can see.
I think it is running. Yeah. Let's ski Swirl.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I wanna plead with the guy. We just-
I'm thinking I should try it on like the last one.
Okay, let's
here.
think. What should we tell the operator?
Just like tell them you like lifts and you have a YouTube channel. Or something.
Or, yeah.
Then I could really gain a lot. of
Tell 'em both that.
I'll tell him I love him forever if he lets me in.
And you got your
Give it a shout out in the description. How about that?
Yeah, I will. I'll say that.
They're all kind of the same.
I could film it too and then give you
yeah.
credit in it.
Oh, I wish I could. If only I had memory.
Yeah. Well, at least if you want, I can like.
Well, at least you'll have a video of it if
Yeah.
you do get it.
Oh, boss. They need to make snow on
They
it.
do. I don't know why they have.
Seems like some sugar bush style.
That's weird that they made snow on the lower portion of this road, but not the upper portion.
I think they really want to orient this towards terrain parks and beginners.
Yeah.
And this isn't like either of them. Still though.
Well, actually, this one doesn't have. This one requires manual shooters or whatever.
Yeah. Colin told me not to ride this one. Because he thought I would do it. I don't mind it. Like,
No,
if
it's
the terrain has no ice on it, then I'm happy. Okay, we are 100% skiing
I
still.
think they want us to be happier here.
Yeah.
They want us to be happier. That's where the bottom of the comma is.
That right there?
What? If Thorl's closed, we could try cutting over from there.
Yeah. We'll just go to the right at the top of this.
If Thorl's closing, maybe we could try cutting over from and see if it's running. Is this open?
This is open. That's nice. I wouldn't mind spending some time over here. To be
If you
honest.
want to try that treesy zone if it's open.
Yeah. Anywhere that there's good snow, I want to ski. So.
I don't know about the woods anymore. People taking like all the spots in there.
Well, what do you want to do then?
See anything going on this way? Or no gates up.
No, because it could.
I doubt it's running at this point.
They usually run it though. Yeah. You could always take pictures of it.
Yeah. I thought they only ran it if it was racing.
I feel like they schedule it to run a lot on the report though.
Said expected on the report.
Really?
Had the same class.
Oh, it's not running.
I don't see it yet. Let's go! I see someone there.
Okay.
I see someone over there.
Really? We can check it out.
Let's go
either way.
investigate.
Yeah. Just took a
that?
show off.
One way! Hey!